So it's currently like 12 o'clock, and for some reason I just have the urge, or I got the urge to go to Walmart right now and fix these pants. I got these, I don't know why I'm killing the camera so low. So I thrifted these pants a few weeks ago. I want to say they may have been in a vlog. I liked how they looked, the length and whatever, the style, but they didn't fit my waist. So I was like, well, I can buy these, they're super cheap. And I found this YouTube video maybe like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, or something like that, where this girl was doing, like, she was altering her pants, her jeans, and there were like no sew hacks or whatever. And one of them was, I've seen it before, but I just, you know, happened to like come across it. I saw that and I was like, oh, I could do that with the jeans. And then a week or two goes by and I still haven't done anything with them. So here I am, 12 o'clock in the morning, wanting to do these jeans. Yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart. Hopefully when I go, they're gonna have what I need. I already got safety pins. I want to also see if I can get some like a sewing kit, because I have a pair of shorts that has the elastic in the waistband on both sides, like by both sides of the zipper on either side. It has like an adjustable kind of elastic waistband or whatever, where you can, like, I don't know how to explain it, but like you can basically adjust it to if you need it tighter, and then you can hook it around a button to where it'll stay in place. The hack that I saw on YouTube, the girl just safety pinned it in place so where you can't like adjust it if you need it to be more tight. I also need some water, so I'm not going for nothing or like for a random reason. I do need water really, really bad. So I'm gonna get some water too, and maybe some juice, and I think that's it. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Walmart. Just want to make a note that I just backed into this parking spot, and like, look how clutch I am. So clutch. I'm gonna get the water first. So this is what we're working with. I don't know which one. There's a whole bunch of these on here too. Maybe I should get one of each. Yeah, I'll get one of each. Okay, just got back from Walmart. I'm actually gonna just try to do this one first. These are the two pairs of pants. The other pair is a black pair of pants, but they're in the wash. This pair is like a mom jean style. These are Wrangler. So I'm gonna start with these first because it doesn't have anything on the back like restricting me from like putting the elastic in. You know, like it won't bunch up anything. Maybe besides these belt loops, but I can take these off. Whereas with these Levi's, these are way bigger, for one. Like they fit way bigger on my waist, and two, there's this, you know, like the Levi patch on the back. Also, it's sewn on the inside, so I would have to like seam rip this off in order to put the elastic in. So from Walmart, you guys saw I got the alkaline water. I also got pink lemonade. I haven't had this since like high school. I used to get these all the time in the like the vending machines in high school. Why am I saying this? I got these two bunches of elastic. One is 3 yards and it's 3 1/4. And this one is 2.5 yards, but it's 1 inch. I'm using the smaller version, the 3/4 inch elastic band for these jeans. I also got these buttons that I said I was gonna try to sew on. I think I still am going to. We'll see how that goes. My idea is to put like a slit down the middle of the elastic. That way I don't really mess up the integrity of the entire elastic, and I can loop it on the button. Like I make 3 different slits. That way, like you'll see if I try it and it works. I got this little like mini sewing kit, and then I got some extra thread just in case I need some. Okay, so we're gonna start. Oh, also I need the safety pins. Okay, and then I got these safety pins. I got these actually from Goodwill. Goodwill? No. I got these from Dollar Tree. So measure the elastic under where like the smallest part of your waist is. Should I do this without? I'll be back. Okay, we're back. I cut the elastic. I did it maybe a few inches bigger than what my waist was, like the smallest part of my waist, because I'm gonna add those little slits. Let me actually try this with like a small piece. That would be smart, right? I usually don't ever like test this out beforehand. I usually just go at it and hope that it works. So this is how I want each side of the elastic on each side of the belt, the zipper to look like. This is what it's gonna look like. So can you see? I have my ring light on because it's dark in my room, but you see, there's the elastic, and I cut holes, I cut slits in between. You guys will see. It'll make more sense if it works when I finish, like when I get to the part where I make the actual slits in the pants. So what I'm gonna do is I have the elastic. I'm gonna put a safety pin on one side like this, and then I'm going to cut a slit. Let's see. I make 2 slits right here and on top of both the pockets on each side, and then I'm going to feed one side through one of the slits with the safety pin, and like feed it through all the way around the waist. And then when it gets to the other side, I'm gonna safety pin, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I'm about to do. Okay, so I just finished. This actually was way harder than I expected it to be. I think if I had like I don't know what I would use this time. I mean, this still worked. It's just I think I maybe need like one of those like extra large safety pins. This one's kind of small. But anyways, I got it done. I also made 3 slits. You can't really see them, but can you see them now? I made 3 slits in the jeans on each side, and I safety pinned it. So I'm about to sew on the button. I cut into the other side of the pants on accident on this side. Oh, Taylor. Cut right through the other side. Sharp ass scissors. Dang, I did not mean to do that. It's fine. It's fine. So I gotta be careful about how I sew the button on. But I'm gonna sew the buttons on as close as I can to the entrance of where I made the slit and put the elastic in. So I'm gonna sew the buttons on, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so let me get close to my mirror. It's gonna focus. Okay, so it works. Oh my gosh, this is so terrible. Let me go in the bathroom. I'm in my guest bathroom right now, so that's why like there's nothing on the walls. But overall, even like the back, like I was saying, like I thought the back would like kind of like bunch up, you know, but it doesn't. It looks like normal. I sewed the buttons on. I'll show you guys on the inside. Hold on. I have them both on both sides on the third loop. So there's the first one, there's the second one, and then I have it on the third one. I sewed the button, like I said, right next to the opening where I slit, like to put the elastic in. And I didn't really care. So I sewed it on the outside. You can't really tell, it looks like it's part of the pants. So yeah, overall, very happy with the outcome of these pants. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning now, and I'm actually really tired. This took longer than I thought. So I'm going to wrap my hair. Then I'm gonna go to sleep because I have a long day tomorrow. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm shooting with my friend Erica. And then after that, I have the networking event I have to go to. So I'm going to the shoot, from the shoot to the marketing event, or I can't want to say marketing, the networking event. I'm going right after. So I will check in with you guys in the morning, later on, in a few hours. Good morning, guys. It's not morning. Good afternoon. I am on the way to the shoot right now. Yesterday, I had kind of like an impromptu photo shoot with one of my another one of my friends, Micah, which I really think it came out good. I really wish I brought my camera with me. Oh my god, my camera is just moving. I'll see you guys at Ikea. This is look 1. I have like this shirt, from Urban Outfitters. And then I have on these like Champion joggers. So yeah, that's all for this one.
Oh man.
This is the second look. I just have this like white top I got from Urban Outfitters. And then I have on the jeans that I fixed last night. And then it's my sneakers. Probably won't get the sneakers in it, but yeah, this is supposed to be like a chill, casual vibe. Okay, this is the last look. I have on these like trouser pants I got years ago from Forever 21. And then I have this like shirt that I thrifted. I'll probably put my hair down too, but I'm gonna see how it looks up first.
He's the laziest behind the scenes person.
Out on it or just regular? And then pepper.
Is it moving to the point?
Oh, I'm zoomed in. All right, just finished shooting. Shouts out to the cameraman that barely did his job.
The camera's right there.
Okay, about to go to the networking event now. So, I think the shoot went well. I think it came out really good. We got a lot of shots. I'm also starving. I vaguely remember seeing something in one of the either flyers or my ticket or something that the event's gonna have like food and unlimited drinks. I really hope I didn't make that up because one, I'm starving, and two, I wouldn't mind to have a drink right now.